Alright, hey guys, just couldn't wait. Wanted to open this pack. And 37 Nationals Yankees said I should. Said it's mostly no name, so I'm gonna go ahead. Nolan Ryan to start off. It's nice. Mookie Wilson. Kent Hrbek. Or something like that. Mike Jeffcoat. Mike Boddicker. Doug Jones. Nick Esseksky. Fred Manrique. Some Topps Company store thing. It's expired. Damaso Garcia. Andy Allenson. Richie. Mike Aldretti. Something like that. Lonnie Smith. Oh, Ricky Henderson. It's a good one. Greg Hibbard. And Oral Hershiser. Another good one. Dodgers PC. Alright guys, I don't know if you're interested in anything, but the gum is in pieces, but it is for trade if you want it. It smells so good.